Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. My name's Tom Murray, Marketing Manager for Nulon Products Australia. I'm here today with the marketing team, Nick and Chris, our CEO Greg Simons, and Edge, our creative agency. Today we've got something really exciting we've been working on for 12 months, and that's the draw for Project XY. Over the last 12 months, there have been many people involved in Project XY, taking it from being a simple concept right through to one of Australia's finest muscle cars. Before we go and do the draw, I have to give a shout out to some of those people involved. That includes some of our build partners, the wider team here at Nulon, our retail partners, but most of all, our loyal customers. We've had an incredible response to Project XY. Over 55,000 people have entered the draw to win, but there can only be one winner, and we're about to find out who that is. Hello, is that Neil Horsley?
Yeah, this is Neil speaking.
Hi Neil, Tom Murray calling from Nulon Products Australia. How are you?
Oh, how you going, mate? I'm alright, yeah.
Mate, back in February, can you recall entering a competition to win a Ford Falcon XY GT with Nulon?
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
Really pleased to give you some good news. You've won the draw to win the Ford Falcon XY GT replica. From 55,000 entrants, your name came out first and you've won the car. Congratulations, mate.
You're joking, really?
It's true.
Oh, sweet, I'm speechless. That's ridiculous. I've never won anything in my life.
We've done a bare metal restoration on it. It's track red in colour, 630 horsepower. It'll fry the tyres in all the gears, mate, so you're going to have a lot of fun.
Oh, it sounds excellent. Oh, man. Oh, that's unbelievable.
We're really pleased for you, and can't wait to hand it over.
Oh, yeah, I can't wait to get it.
Thank you for entering. Thanks for supporting Nulon. We'll be in touch in a few days' time, but we'd love for you to come out, meet the team who built the car, go over the car with you and give you all the information you need. We really look forward to handing it over to you, mate. So well done.
Sure, great. Thanks for that. Thanks, Nulon. That's great, mate. I can't wait to see it.
Good on you, Neil. Thanks, mate.
Thanks, mate.